If you've run into the iPhone green screen problem, it looks sort of like this. Your entire iPhone screen goes green or maybe a shade of green. There are certain steps that you can take to get that fixed. The very first thing that I would recommend doing is just turning off and rebooting your phone. You'd be surprised how many times that fixes it. So press the volume up, volume down, and press and hold that side button. Essentially, this will do a forced restart, or you could just shut down your phone by pressing the volume up and the side button. That's the first step. The second step is to go into your settings to see if there's an issue with your display. So open up the display settings. There it is, display and brightness. And then we're going to scroll down and you're going to go to a couple different things. True tone, let's turn this off and then turn it back on and see if that helps to fix it. If that doesn't help to fix it, the next thing that I would recommend doing is taking your hand and covering the top of your iPhone. This is where all of the sensors are that determine the brightness of your room, the color tone, everything. So basically cover the top of your phone and then move your hand and see if that fixes it. If it doesn't fix it, let's hop back into your settings. We'll go back to the very beginning from here. Tap on the general option and tap on software update. See if a software update fixes it. If you can update, a lot of times it includes bug fixes and glitch fixes, so just update the latest version. If that doesn't work, let's go back out of here, scroll down to the bottom and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone from here. And then we'll tap on the reset and reset all settings on your iPhone back to factory default. I have a security delay, but basically go through the process of resetting all of those settings back to factory default. If you're still having issues with a green screen, I would recommend bringing it into an Apple store because there might be a physical hardware issue with your screen. They'll basically just plug it in, run some diagnostics, and see if they can fix it themselves through a software issue or maybe a hardware issue. Maybe they need to replace your entire screen.